Welcome everybody back. We are now going to be starting our first notes of semester 2. Our target for this, our unit here is coordinate geometry and coordinate proofs. So starting with target 6A, we're really going to be looking at coordinate geometry. And in 6A, for this first day, what we're really going to be looking at is that I can find area and perimeter of figures in the coordinate plane. So remember, area. We have really two formulas for area that we've seen before. You should know, right? The area of a rectangle is length times width, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 times base times width. Okay. Perimeter is the total distance around the edge of the figure. So basically for these, everything that we have, we are going to cut into different size rectangles and different size triangles. So let's look at example 1. Example 1 says, determine the area and perimeter of the figure. So, we're going to start with area first. Now there's lots of ways you can cut up a shape and have this work. So you're really just trying to figure out different rectangles that you can cut this into. So if you look, I'm going to cut right here, I'm going to create a line here so that I have this rectangle. And then I'll put a line here. So I have this rectangle. And then I have this rectangle, right? So I just split this into 3 rectangles, and rectangles I know how to find the area of. So, starting with our red rectangle, area equals, right, this is 2 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Alright, so the area equals 2 times 7, which is 14. Finding our blue rectangle, the area equals, right, I have 1, 2, 6 times 5, so that's 30. And then our green rectangle, the area equals 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 times 14, which is 7. So then my total area equals, I'm just adding all these up, 14 plus 30 plus 70, which equals 104. This is my total area of this figure. So we found area, now we have to find the perimeter. And remember, your perimeter is the total distance around the edge of the figure. So some of these I already have labeled, right? So I have 7 plus, and I could really count this whole thing out. Right, 7 plus, and if I count all of these spaces, it's 13. Plus, I already counted this out, that's 14. Plus, right here, that's 5. Plus, here, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Plus, right, here we have 6. Plus 2. Plus, and then my last 2. Right, so you're really just going around the whole figure and trying to find that total distance around. So then I'm just adding all these up in order to equal 7 plus 13 is 20, plus 14 is 34, 39, 48, 64, 56, 58. So 104 units, which is definitely units squared area, and that's 58 units. All right, let's look at our next example. So determine the area and the perimeter of this figure. Right, so this one, right, as soon as you have a slanted line, you're going to have to use triangles. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to start, okay, so I have this line to this line. The easiest type of right triangle to work with is a right triangle. So I have that red triangle. I have this green triangle. Right, so I'm going straight down and straight across all of it. Then I have my blue triangle. Alright, so it's connected those points with right angles. And then purple, right, and then I have this purple triangle. And then what I'm left with is just this little orange square. Don't forget about that part as well. Okay. So starting with the red triangle, remember area equal over triangle equals 1/2 times base times width. So it's just these two sides. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3. This equals, right, if I multiply all that out, you get this. The green triangle, area equals 1/2 times 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4. Also equals 6. Now 9. The blue triangle, area equals 1/2 times 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Right, it won't always happen that they're all the same. This one just a nice example where they do, right? Equal 1/2 times 4, which equals 6. And then my little orange square, right? Just a rectangle, so it's 1 times 1, which equals 1. So then when I add all these up, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25. Good. Now I have to do my perimeter. For my perimeter, right, I'm trying to find this distance. Now I can't just count like I can something straight across one of the lines. What we have to do here is what we looked at all last week as well. Right, this is a right triangle, trying to find the hypotenuse. I'm just going to use Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So, that side, which is AB squared, equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. So AB squared equals 9 plus 25. AB squared, sorry, 9 plus 13, which is 25. I'm going to take the square root of both sides. So AB is 5. Right? So this is 5. Let's do that with the green, the AB. Squared equals 1 squared plus 3 squared. Doesn't matter whether you do them, remember. So AB squared equals 16 plus 9 is b squared equals 25, where the root is b equals 5. And the blue triangle, same thing. So this is b squared, I'm just using the letters that are given there, right? Equals, again, as you know, there's 3 squared plus 4 squared. Again, this one's nice because they're all the same. Well, I'm not going to continue to do the same thing. b equals 5. And then this side right here, right, purple triangle, is bc squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. Then it's the same triangle. Equals 5. So you can use as if it's a rectangle, right? If it's straight across, it can be, you just count. If it's a diagonal line, you have to use the triangle to find that area, or to find that perimeter, that distance. So then my total perimeter equals, right, 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 20. Right? This orange square has nothing to do with the outside. That's a square too, right? Square, so I don't do anything with that for perimeter. Alright, that is it for our notes today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful evening.